friends, today we'll see about the leaf and its structure and function. Did I see it moving? No. I think due to the lockdown that is happening. Maybe here. I felt that they are moving. Anyway, today we'll study about the leaf, its structure and its function. Today we shall see structure of leaf and functions of leaf. A leaf is a flattened green structure which arises from the node of a stem or its branch. The flat green part of a leaf is known as the leaf blade or lamina. The tip of the leaf is known as apex. The outer edge of the lamina is called leaf margin. The lamina is attached to the stem by a short stalk called petiole. The region of attachment of leaf with stem is called leaf base. You can see in the diagram. A node is a point on the stem from where a leaf arises. You can see two nodes are marked in the diagram. We'll see this diagram again later. The interval between two successive nodes is called an internode, that is marked in the diagram. The leaf blade has many fine veins forming a network throughout its body. The arrangement of veins in the leaf blade is called venation. On top in the diagram you can see the margin, the midrib, the veins, apex. Now, leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment imparts a green color to the leaves. That is why the leaves appear to be green. Now, functions of a leaf. The leaves manufacture food for the plant. This process of manufacturing food by leaves is called photosynthesis. This process requires water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. The word equation for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide plus water gives food plus oxygen. This happens in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now, food manufactured here is called glucose. Now, point number 2. The leaves carry tiny pores called stomata. Through these stomata, the plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis in day, and during night take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Now, you can see the picture of the stomata. Plants give out extra amount of water through the stomata in the form of water vapor. This process is known as transpiration. Point number 4. Sometimes leaves are also modified into spines, tendrils, or modified to trap insects. These modifications serve different functions other than the above three functions. Now some question answers. Question number 1. Make a well-labeled diagram of leaf and define all the parts labeled by you. What is photosynthesis? Write the word equation for it. What do you understand by transpiration? Also, what is stomata? What is leaf modification? Here you can see the clear picture of the leaf. You can see the leaf base. You can see the petiole. And that's all for now. Bye and take care. Do your homework. Study well.
Who cares?